How to turn off data for offline files. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off data for offline files on Dropbox. First thing, go to Dropbox. This is the home page. Go to the top corner, click on those three lines. Now go down, click on the settings option down here. After you click on it, now all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Scroll down like this until you find the use data for offline files option. Click on it and it's turned off successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.